Hi, sales enablers. Welcome to your Showell Start Guide, tailored for admins. Before we dive in, we recommend every admin watches the Showell user tutorial videos as well, because understanding how your sales teams interact with Showell daily gives you the insights you need to build a workspace that truly supports them. One key takeaway is that when you create a workspace in Showell, you're setting up a shared environment for your entire sales team. You'll log in with your individual user account, but you're always accessing your company's centralized Showell workspace, alongside any team members you invite. And just as important, admin functionalities are only available in the Showell app for web, accessed through a browser. Now here is a key difference in how the Showell app looks between users and admins. View mode versus edit mode. In view mode, you'll see Showell just like your salespeople do: clean, presentation-ready, and distraction-free. As an admin, you'll also see a toggle in the top right corner. Use this to switch into edit mode when you want to make changes, add content, or manage your content settings. Let's take a look at the Admin tab in the side menu. This is your command center. From here, you'll manage users, branding, courses, integrations, and customize workspace settings. We will open up General Preferences and walk through some key settings. There's a wide range of customizations available here, and we'll explore them in depth in our dedicated admin tutorial series. But for now, let's look at the basics. In Basic Info, you'll give your workspace its name. This name appears in your internal environment, and also in the digital sales rooms created by you or your users. Under Sharing, you'll define the default behavior for shared content. Decide if users can use messaging when sharing, and whether that should be toggled on or off by default. You can also set a standard expiration period for shared links, especially useful in fast-paced sales cycles or when working with time-sensitive offers. Finally, you can control whether shared files are downloadable by default. We recommend keeping this off to ensure file engagement is tracked and analytics are captured. Of course, users can adjust these settings per share, but setting strong defaults helps them work faster and stay aligned. Now, setting up a workspace can vary greatly depending on your company's size, structure, and sales setup. Which brings us to one of the most important parts of your role as an admin: content structure. A smart, organized structure is what transforms Showell from just another app into a true sales enablement platform. When your sales team can quickly find the right content, tailored by region, product, or customer, they sell more confidently and more effectively. Now don't get discouraged. Showell is designed to guide you every step of the way. And if you're on a professional or enterprise plan, you can choose our onboarding package, where a dedicated customer success manager will help tailor everything to your setup. So how should you structure your content? Start by mapping your sales process. Do your teams organize by region, product category, customer type? That structure should guide your folder setup. You might start with folders like product lines, industries, or use cases, and build down from there. Try to plan before you upload. It takes a little more effort up front, but once in place, everything runs smoother. Navigation becomes intuitive. Files stay organized. And best of all, your team won't need to ask, "Where's that brochure?" because they'll already know. And keep your integrations in mind too. If you're connecting SharePoint, Google Drive, Dropbox, or your own DAM, PIM, or cloud solution, aligning folder names and categories helps keep everything streamlined and synced. Furthermore, let's talk about multi-language support. Showell can serve the right content in the right language automatically. You can translate folder names and tag files by language, ensuring every user sees only what's relevant to them. It's possible to manage multiple brands, languages, and markets within a single workspace. However, that said, you might benefit from multi-workspace support. This is ideal if you oversee different business units or regions. Each workspace can have its own users, settings, and content, but you can manage it all with one admin login. Users can even switch between workspaces in a single tap, keeping everything efficient and connected. So, what's next? Now that you've got a solid understanding of the admin foundation, our next video will guide you through content management. from uploading and structuring files to keeping your workspace running like a well-oiled sales machine. With Showell, you'll keep enabling your sales teams,